from the Farah, Najwa, and Salsa groups. On this occasion, we will present our analysis of a TOEFL question related to grammar, specifically regarding the selection of the correct verb in English sentence. The question we analyzed: Mark Twain, blah blah blah, the years after the Civil War, the Gilded Age. The answer choices are A. Called, B. Calling, C. He called, D. His calls. Our task is to choose the most appropriate words to complete the blank so that the sentence is correct in terms of structure and meaning.
First, let's see that this sentence has a subject, Mark Twain. In English grammar, every sentence must have a subject and a main predicate or verb. Since the subject is already there, all we need here is a main verb that matches the subject. Furthermore, the sentence refers to an event that occurred in the past, specifically after the Civil War in the United States. Because the event is past, the verb form used must be in the simple past tense, the past form of the best verb. Analyze each answer choice. Now, let's discuss each option in more depth. Option A, called. This is the past tense of the word call. The sentence becomes: Mark Twain called the years after the Civil War the Gilded Age. This sentence is grammatically correct because it has a complex structure: subject Mark Twain plus verb called plus object the years. Moreover, the meaning is clear that Mark Twain named or labeled the years after the Civil War as the Gilded Age. So, this option is the correct answer.
Option B, calling. The word calling is a present participle of gerund, not a main verb. This means it cannot stand alone as a predicate in a sentence without an auxiliary verb such as is, was, or were. For example, it would only be correct if we wrote, Mark Twain was calling blah blah blah, but in this question there is no auxiliary verb. So, option B is incorrect. Option C, he called. If we choose this, the sentence will be Mark Twain he called blah blah blah. This is wrong because there is a double subject, namely Mark Twain and he. In English grammar, one sentence cannot have two subjects unless using certain punctuation or conjunctions. Therefore, option C is also wrong. Option D, his calls. His calls is a noun phrase, meaning his calls, because it is a noun. This phrase cannot function as a main verb. If used in a sentence, it would lack a predicate and be incomplete. Therefore, option D is also incorrect. Conclusion. From this analysis, it can be concluded that the most appropriate answer is option A, called. The correct sentence is Mark Twain called the years after the Civil War the Gilded Age. The sentence is grammatically correct because it uses the simple past tense, is in accordance with the past tense context, and has a complete structure between the two sentences.